साथियों, इसी तरह अब कंप्यूटर और स्मार्टफोन के इस जमाने में कंप्यूटर गेम्स का भी बहुत ट्रेंड है। ये गेम्स बच्चे भी खेलते हैं, बड़े भी खेलते हैं। लेकिन इनमें भी जितने गेम्स होते हैं, उनकी थीम्स भी अधिकतर बाहर की ही होती है। हमारे देश में इतने आइडियाज हैं, इतने कंसेप्ट्स हैं, बहुत समृद्ध हमारा इतिहास रहा है कि हाँ, हम उन पर गेम्स बना सकते हैं। मैं देश के युवा टैलेंट से कहता हूँ, आप भारत में भी गेम्स बनाइए और भारत के भी गेम्स बनाइए। कहा भी जाता है, लेट द गेम्स बिगिन। तो चलो खेल शुरू करते हैं। साथियों, आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान में वर्चुअल गेम्स हो, टॉयज का सेक्टर हो, सबने बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभानी है और ये अवसर भी है।
Namaste, welcome all. I am Vijit Nadvari Ravi, talking to you on the upcoming platform called Dharma Digital. This is my new offering to the Dharmic community, like the Ancient Voice Wiki platform, which I created in 2010, containing more than 23,700 wiki pages on Veda, Idihasa, Puranas, rivaling Wikipedia, with the Bharatavarsha maps, the lineage trees of Ikshakus, Ailas, Purus, Bharatas, and the Kurus, with classification and analysis of 20,000 unique nouns, with the paintings of Pandavas, etc. Dharma Digital is a similar offering targeting the growth of Sanatana Dharma in the 21st century. It is getting ready in 2020 and it is ready to expand in this decade. Here is a brief overview of Dharma Digital and what it stands for. Dharma Digital is a digital platform that aims at increasing the dharmic content in the digital space. It is currently being developed as a broad digital platform with multiple engagement channels. For example, Dharmic Pics is a channel of Dharma Digital through which pictures, posters, memes, and images of our Devatas like Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Ganesha, Skanda, Ayyappa, Lakshmi, Parvati, Saraswati, and the Veda Idihasa Puranic heroes and heroines like the Pandavas, Draupadi, Rama, Sita, and others will be disseminated through social media networks like Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. They may contain simple images of these dharmic personalities along with inspirational dharmic quotes and the original Sanskrit slokas. All my old and new Bharatavarsha maps and the maps of the world with Sanskrit names created in the last 2 decades will be rendered through this new channel named Dharmic Maps. Similarly, Dharmic Clips is another channel where these dharmic personas will be shown in the short video clips of less than 1 minute duration, imparting short dharmic messages. Dharmic Talks is another channel where these dharmic personalities will be rendered short talks on dharmic matters based on our ancient texts or based on the current affairs. This channel will also be used as a speaker channel where various speakers, including me, will be talking on dharmic concepts. The uniqueness of this top channel is that both humans and Devata Jyoti Rupas will be talking through this channel. Dharmic Dialogues is another channel which will bring Devatas and human speakers in engaging dialogues on dharmic topics relevant to today's generation. The number of participants in this channel will be restricted to 2. Dharmic Conference is another channel which will bring multiple Devatas and human speakers together for engaging dharmic conferences. All these can be engaged in highlighting some current event or current affairs like the Ayodhya Ram Mandir or Shabarimala issue. It can also be a discussion about a topic or a narrative from our Veda Idihasa Puranas. The main engine for all these platforms will be Devata Jyoti Rupas, digital holograms of Devatas, by which the Devata can virtually appear in the real world. They can be seen as existing in the real world space through special devices or seen in normal devices like the mobile phones and laptops as hologram video recordings, picture snapshots, 3D 360-degree images and 360-degree videos. Apart from Jyotirupas of Devatas and Aitihasic personalities, Dharma Digital will also create other innovative channels. Dharmic games is one of them for our children, as well as for others to play in the mobile phones to familiarize with dharmic concepts. Dharmic worlds, which are virtual worlds where people can log in with their own digital forms and interact with others, also will be created. Interactions will be like in the social media, but you will be digitally or virtually residing in the places or the Janapadas of Dwapara, Treta or Rudayuga. And your interaction will extend to the dharmic personalities of these ancient yugas. Similarly, dharmic museums will take the form, for example, like a navigable ancient village rendered in 3D, a virtual Holocaust museum, or as navigable 3D virtual still scenes, where the events mentioned in the Mahabharata, Ramayana, or Veda Itihasa Puranas will be rendered. Dharma Digital will also be creating virtual temples, which can be visited online, where people can do virtual worship and interact with each other. Virtual gatherings and conferences can take place in these virtual dharmic hangouts. This is our target. Within this decade, between 2020 and 2030, we will have enough digital content to immerse the 100 core dharmic Bharatiyas of the current 3 generations in the glory of Sanatana Dharma and of Bharatavarsha. We also anticipate a dharmic revival in the world by the turn of this decade. All of these are possible only with your support and contributions. The contributions can come in the form of efforts like spreading the dharmic content of Dharma Digital by actively sharing them through social media like in Facebook, Twitter or WhatsApp, or by contributing funds, or by contributing content in the form of auditions, or in any other digital content in 3D or 2D formats. We look forward to hear more from you. Together we shall realize this collective dream. Dharma Digital will give wings to your dharmic imagination, be it being able to virtually witness the coronation of Yudhishthira at Indraprastha, or becoming part of Sri Rama Pattabhisheka at Ayodhya in the dharmic worlds. Dharma Vijayam.